Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Capricorn. Today's reading is going to be different Capricorn. For your career situation, I'll be picking one card guys. For your relationship, one more card. So if you want a more detailed love reading Capricorn, you can watch that pick a card love reading that will come right after this daily reading guys. So let's start with your career situation first. It's 5 of spheres for your career situation guys. So in your situation you are facing lot of troubles, stress guys, maybe something going unexpected, maybe some delays or suspensions in your projects or some kind of failures. So things are not going as you are expecting it to go. So some worries because of that guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship Capricorn. It's Alchemist of Spheres in reverse guys. So with this card in your situation, maybe this may be your energy or this may be this person's energy guys. So this person you are in connection with, they are quite arrogant and they think that they are the only ones who know what is the truth and what is the right way to be and right way to do things. So they are not accepting whatever you are doing, accepting your role, accepting your love. So they have a particular way of dealing with things, and when you are doing things in a different way, they don't see the truth behind that actions but just that actions, and they are quite arrogant. They don't accept your ways, not ready to accept your ways, and they are also having doubts on you guys. So that may be working against you. So however hard you try to please them, you are unable to find that understanding and love with this person guys. That is what I see. So they are the ones blocking the way for you to build a strong foundation in this connection, foundation with them. So they are working against this love guys, and they don't understand why they are doing it because they are at the core of their being, they are really arrogant. That may be the reason, and they are quite selfish also. So that is what I see with these cards Capricorn. For your love reading guys, if you want more clarity, you can watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now Capricorn. For your love reading guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is your first deck and this is your second deck guys. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and I'll be picking 3 cards from each deck. You can close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds and open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. That way, that reading may answer your questions, guys, whatever you have in your mind regarding your love situation. So, after a few seconds of silence, I'll be starting with this deck. This is the first deck, guys. Okay guys, so let's start the reading with the first deck. We will keep this deck aside now. So let's see what's coming with this deck, the first deck. What are the cards? We'll be picking 3 cards guys for your situation, for those who have chosen this deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it. Let's see, this is the first card, the Sun. This is your second card, 8 of Pentacles in reverse, Sun in reverse. and Five of Pentacles. So, with these cards, guys, in your situation today, so with these cards, guys, I see that for many of you who have chosen this deck, I see that today you may be interested in more than one person, or many people are interested in you. They are attracted to you, they want to have a relationship with you. Maybe if you are open to a relationship, or even if you are in a connection, you still have some kind of interest in somebody else, or you just want to um, try something else with another person. Maybe you are interested finding someone much more interesting, and you have your attention on them. And this may not be a good thing, guys, a good positive thing for your connection, but still you have your you are attracted to someone. Maybe if you are open to a relationship, you may be finding someone, many people attractive to you, and you don't know whom to choose or whom to be with. So some kind of um, confusion or doubts because of that. So you don't know which person to choose and with whom you have to be with today, guys. So, or for some of you, there may be you may be having crush on many people. Maybe your common friend, someone from your family circle or your friend circle, someone, or maybe in your work situation, someone may be there. So there are many people interesting you today, guys, and may not be all of them may not be the right choice. So you are still thinking, and you are still what to say, in a state of confusion which direction to go, or this may be the other person's energy. So uh, they may have you as one of their love interest, and they may have many people also. So you need to be careful, guys. That is what I see, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. So let's see what are the cards with the other deck. So again, we'll be picking 3 more cards from this deck for those who have chosen this deck. Let's see what are the cards. So this is your first card, your second card, and third card here, guys. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and we will turn these cards now. It's Six of Suns, Empress in reverse, and Alchemist of Spheres in reverse. So for those who have chosen these cards, guys, the second cards, the energy we see here is that this person you are in connection with, guys, they have they are really obsessed with you. They have a true love on you, guys. They love you for what you are, and they love the way you are physically and the way you are emotionally and psychologically. They have this deep bond with you, and they have this huge attraction to you, towards you, guys, and they are simply obsessed with you, with your qualities, with your beauty, and they cannot be away from you even for some time. So they are being really possessive of you. So they want to take control of you in some ways, make some decisions for you. For some of you, this may sound too dominating, too controlling, or invading your personal space. But this person is doing all this out of love, guys. That is the reason they are behaving in such a way with you. So they are simply showering you with love, gifts, and they just want to be there with you always. So they don't know how to control their feelings for you guys. That is the reason they are behaving this way. Maybe for some of you, you may feel this person has gone mad, or simply trying to control you, or indulge in every what to say, being very nosy, trying to find everything about you, or trying to say something when you're making some decisions. So the reason may be true love, guys. So that is what I see with these cards. So for those who have chosen the second deck, this person is really addicted to your love. That is the reason they just want to be there with you always, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.